In this video, I will show you how to connect your Phantom wallet to your pump.fun account. So first and foremost, go ahead and open pump.fun on your device. You can go ahead and open it in your browser. They also have a mobile app that you can install on your device. After that, go ahead and hit on that connect wallet button at the top right of your screen. Now in here, go ahead and select mobile wallet adapter from the wallet list to be able to connect Phantom wallet into your pump.fun account or make it the basis for your pump.fun account. That will redirect you to the Phantom wallet app. Now on the Phantom wallet app, you'll need to confirm the connection between your Phantom wallet to your pump.fun account. After you confirm or hit on the connect button, you'll be able to immediately connect your Phantom wallet to your pump.fun account, and that's basically how you can connect your Phantom wallet to pump.fun. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.